In this short instructional video, I'm going to describe the main mountain features we use to navigate by. It's important that we know how to translate how the feature looks on the land to how the feature will be shown on the map and vice versa. The first feature I'm going to show you is a summit or a top or a spot height. When you're standing on top of this, every direction will go down, and that's its definition. So front, back, left and right all go downhill. The map will show it like this. The second feature I'm going to describe is a valley. The definition of a valley would be uphill on 3 sides and downhill on 1. This is how the valley is shown on the map. The reentrant is the same shape as a valley, but on a smaller scale. The definition of your reentrant is uphill on 3 sides and downhill on 1. This is how the reentrant is shown on the map, with the contour line cuts into the slope. The next feature I'm going to show you is a spur, sometimes described as a shoulder of land. When you are standing on a spur and looking down along its backbone, it will be down in front of you, down on either side, and uphill behind you. So by definition, it will be downhill on 3 sides and uphill on 1. This is how the map shows a spur. A ridge is a line feature joining the dots between summits. The ridge marks out the backbone of the mountain range. The next feature I'm going to show you is a saddle or a col. So the definition of a saddle is up on 2 sides and down on 2 sides. This is how a saddle is shown on the map. Another useful navigation feature is a change of slope. So if you're walking along, you might have a section of ground that's shallow, followed by a steep section, followed by a shallow section. In the foreground, you can notice a very obvious change of slope from the flat ground at the bottom to the steep ground going up and alongside the forestry. This is how a change of slope is shown on the map. Here is a map showing all of the features that we've just discussed. What we'll find when we're out hill walking is that the ground is made up of all of the features that we've described, and that when we're navigating, we're moving from one feature to the next. So if you look around you and describe what's happening, you should be able to define what feature you're standing on and thus be able to pick out where you are on the map.